That's how Shauna was with her go-kart. She goes, what?
Look.
You gonna ride it?
Look, Cade.
It's your big truck, baby.
There's what you've been
Your
wanting.
big truck. You've been wanting it. It's for you.
Oh, crap. Go get her.
You want to sit in it? It's your truck. Your truck. Yes, that's Kate's truck. Shit, close your steering wheel. Is your key on? Is your key on? This your radio, look.
The radio really works, but we
really
don't have
works.
any batteries in it.
I will get some batteries. This is your heater. See, look, all them buttons. That's a nice truck. What a nice ride you have, Cater. When it start? It's not going. Do you like it? Start it up. Let's go.
Do you know how to ride it?
Start it up.
You need
Let's
us to
go.
teach you?
I think he's too big. You have to sit there, Mama.
No, not
Mama,
big
can you
enough.
sit there? I'll
Okay.
sit, Grandma.